Court TV Live, I'm Ashley Wilcott.
And I'm Michael Ayala. We'll get you back into court in just a moment. But first, we do want to catch you up on Court TV's newest case, the sleepwalking teen murder trial going on in Texas. Meghan Elliott was 17 years old when police say he stabbed his twin sister to death while he was sleepwalking.
But the defense says no, it wasn't murder and that Elliott was suffering from a sleep disorder. Crime and Justice correspondent Matt Johnson is here now with a debrief.
Michael, Ashley, a big day in court. After 3 days of emotional testimony, the defense delivered powerful opening statements and started to call their own witnesses.
He is not a psychopath. He is not a sociopath. He is not crazy. So, either he had some hidden motive and he was mad at his sister and he killed her in the middle of the night, which is not, it's not true. You're not going to find that anywhere. He loved his sister. The evidence is going to show Meghan was someone on the spectrum. Ben a little bit too, but Ben was the funny one. He was witty.
Now 21 years old, Benjamin Elliott on trial for the murder of his twin sister, Meghan. During day 3 of testimony, the state called several witnesses, including the defendant's father, who broke down in tears. The state has also called investigators over the past 3 days who testified that Elliott was on his phone right before the stabbing. They claimed that he was obsessed with hunting gear and used his father's knife to kill his sister. The state also played this shocking police interrogation video. Take a listen.
So you go to sleep around that time. What's the next thing you remember?
The next thing I remember is like the feeling of stabbing something and then realizing what's going on and panicking.
Where were you at that point?
I was in her room and I remember like stabbing something and I turned on the light and I saw what was happening. I was panicking and I tried to stop bleeding.
How many times did you stab?
Just once.
The defendant's family, in the gallery each and every day showing support. Today, the defense started calling witnesses, including friends of Elliott who testified about prior sleepwalking incidents, and a forensic psychologist who said this.
What would you have been looking for in Benjamin to determine whether or not he presented as a psychopath?
I mean, there are a number of traits that we would look for. The most common test used to assess for psychopathy is the psychopathy checklist revised. It has 20 items on it that, again, relating to people who are glib and superficial, that they lie, they're conning, they manipulate others, that they're frequently violating the rights of others, criminal versatility. There's a number of them.
And did you see any of that in Benjamin Elliott?
I did not.
And moments ago, the defense has recalled the defendant's father to the stand. They also called earlier his aunt and another sister who testified about other prior sleepwalking incidents. Elliott faces life behind bars if convicted. Michael, Ashley?
All right, thank you so much to Matt Johnson for that. Ooh, that case is something else.
It really is.